Hello, hello children, hello parents, how are you? Hope you're doing well. And today we are going to learn the third sound. What was the first sound? Sound S. Then we did Ah. Now we are going to go to sound T. Okay? T, T, T. And we always do actions, song and the objects which starts with sound T. So, what is the action for this sound? T, 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 T. Why am I doing like this? Because when you watch a tennis show, what do? Your head goes T, 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 T. So, that is the action of T sound. Okay? Sound T. Then let's go to the song. When I watch the tennis, T, 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 T. When I watch the tennis, my head goes back and forth. So this is the song. It's mainly representing watching a tennis play. What you do, your head goes T, 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 T. So the song and the action is based on it. And today we are recognizing sound T. Sound T. Okay? T, T, T. Okay. Let's name some object which starts with sound T. 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 And the first one, what I'm going to introduce is a toy, and which you all love. Even I love that one. I love to play with it. It is teddy bear. What is it? Teddy bear. Okay. And the next one, tortoise. 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 Okay. And the last one is tennis bat. And the last one is tennis bat. And even you think, and come with more object which starts with sound T. Sound T. Name more object which starts with sound T. And as usual, ask mommy to put dots, sound T, and you're going to join the dots. So today we learned sound T, T, T. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.